Okay, as many of you know, one of my favourite all-time films is Starship Troopers, which was filmed in Badland environments in South Dakota. We've come across some Badland environments right here in California, and it's beautiful to see that we've got these differential strata. So we've got more permeable and less permeable geology, so some of it is more erodible than others, which allows you to get this incredible piping, mesopiping and micropiping when you get really intense periods of rainfall like we had yesterday. It's deposited these alluvial fans again at the bottom of the base. You can see these lobe things that come out, but also inside we'll have all sorts of networks of pipes and flows where the softer rock has allowed the water to erode it and cruise through underneath. This kind of stuff is more frequent or more common in semi-arid areas where you get a bit of rainfall. So Badlands tend to have more rainfall than purely arid, so more than 250 millimeters of rainfall per year. But they do make these beautiful alien-style environments. Well, this is incredible. I think there must have been a recent rainstorm around here, like the one we were looking at yesterday, because the earth is freshly moist under my feet, and you can see quite clearly here we've got big holes coming out of the Badlands geology, which means that water has gone in underneath and then it pops out through obviously natural pipes, because it's got to find some way, all this water, to get out of this this rock, and it forms these structures underneath. So this whole place will be riven with tunnels and little pipes that are caused by these infrequent but intense rainfall events. Okay, biologists, remember what halophytic means? What a halophyte is? Yeah? Salt tolerant, capable of withstanding very salty soils. Well, you don't get much more salty than this. Just look at the levels of salt here. I don't know if you can see this, but it is super white. Look at these little salt things, which I think, let's just give it a taste. Ugh. Shouldn't probably swallow that. It is very salty though. I don't think you need to be a genius to see that these white crystalline deposits here, which have formed from rapid evaporation and crystallization of salt, has left this soil highly saline. So this is an iridosol, but it's also a highly saline one as well. So I'll leave you to work out whether it's Solon Chuck or a Solonets.